this is step number 1 of today's work, huh?
It is.
What are we doing?
Step number 1, we're stacking T-posts onto slim.
Yeah.
And we're gonna drive them out to where I cut spurs from the UTV trails to the fence line.
Yep.
And then we'll march them out to where they're gonna be placed, and Colin's gonna pound them in.
And Colin's gonna pound them in. Excellent. Okay, so let's play a game.
Okay.
The game is called How Many T-Posts Get Installed Today?
Okay.
So, Steve,
Yep.
what do you think?
So I'm gonna guess 60.
You're gonna guess 60 installed today.
Okay.
But I think we can get, well, it's like 10:35 right now. I think 80 at least.
80.
All right, wow.
Wow.
Lee, how about you?
I think we're getting them all in. How many is left? 150?
We don't actually know.
Yeah, we're putting them all in. However many there are, that's how many go in.
Uh-huh.
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 Because I'm the eternal optimist.
Yep.
Someone has to.
Yeah, someone has to play that role. Then there's the realism.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll see. We're gonna work until we drop.
Yes, we are.
Today is a work till you drop day.
It's a good day.
So anybody packing a knife to get these binder things off?
So an actual great tip on these is if you just drop them on the ground from like waist high,
Yeah.
they just pop off. So no knife needed on these guys. And then if it's like a little tough one, just give it a couple of whacks on the ground. They'll pop right off.
Couple of whacks. That's the official. That's the official.
That's the official
method, huh?
brand,
How we do it here.
Thing. How we do it. Yep.
Yeah. Okay.
It's that easy.
Oh, interesting.
Look at what we found.
Oh, interesting.
We're on the path. We're driving really slowly because we're trying not to hit every tree on either side of the path with the T-posts. And we found a new apple tree with one apple.
Yeah.
And it looks unblemished.
It's pretty good. Well, it's got a little blemish.
A little blemish.
Yeah, I don't know how long that tree is gonna be around.
Yeah, it doesn't look like the healthiest of trees.
No,
honestly.
Here you go.
But it made a nice apple.
Yep.
You want to eat it?
Sure.
Okay.
Soft, but tasty.
Excellent.
Well, it's been frozen and thawed and frozen and thawed. All right, let's
That's
keep
the
going.
best kind.
All right.
So we're gonna walk down the spur. Do we need to do 2 or?
All right. We'll have to grab the plastic there. Just all the way down.
Yep, all the way down.
All right. God.
Yeah, uh-huh. This is great. Isn't that nice?
And it's outlined. Right here.
Well,
Okay, so we're changing our technique now. We didn't really like driving through the forest with the T-posts sticking out on either side of the UTV. So now we've put a piece of cardboard there to protect the seat, and we're gonna try to run them vertically so we don't have anything sticking out on the side.
yeah, we'll see.
Yeah, we will.
We'll rock and roll.
Cheat it over on this side so you're less squished. So this is 6 now. 5. I've become like the Terminator.
Can you do 2 at once?
I don't know.
One at a time.
What's going on? And it's like this really cool, like thriller. Yeah, I'm just doing a half. Oh, these are great. Can you pull it tight? Yep. Sweet.
So is that going to be tight enough?
Well, it just has to look, right?
Yeah, it doesn't have to be super tight. We'll see.
Hey, wait, well, because looks like you're supposed to drive them, because there's also like a claw in here, all the way in. So maybe at the end we can just stomp on them.
Yeah. Or even just hammer it.
Oh, I see. Is this another rock?
So how taut does the line have to be, do you think?
Well, I think that is an absolute rock, right?
Yeah, that's
right
what I hit over at the first one too.
There we go. Not super. We're not doing high tensile, so I'm not opposed to that.
Yeah, I don't think it's that bad.
Because we're just making it so that they don't want to push through and then jump over.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking that what we'll do is we'll err on, the plan was for just 2, one on the bottom and one kind of right here. I think we might run 3.
3 strands of wire.
Yeah. The top one is a 1-inch ribbon. So 2, 1 here, and then the ribbon on the top is what I think we're going with.
That'd be sweet.
And I think 12 feet
Colored
is
ribbon?
fine. Let's try 15. What's that?
Well, it'll be a
It's
color.
white.
A white ribbon.
Yeah, we actually have yellow and black of this.
Oh, nice.
So that's what they had. It was, pandemic.
Yeah.
All right. So let's take this out of these 2. Leave your other one, and then pull that one out.
And how many posts can we go before we cut the wire and retie it?
That we haven't decided yet. We're gonna wing it. So start at that first one.
Yep.
And come 4 lengths.
So you're going to put like a tent stake kind of thing, a diagonal line to
Correct.
help hold the pole straight?
That's right. Yeah. That's right.
That's a good move.
Yeah. Let's just round up 260. So 260 times 3 divided by 12, 65.
65
so we
what?
need 65 of these step-in posts to do the south, the diagonal southeast corner, and the east at 12-foot intervals.
How many posts do we have, Stephen?
We have more than 65.
Do we have just a couple more?
Yeah. 1 or 2, plus or minus 1 or 2. We have 200 posts up, rock and roll.
You can always find a use for a good 4-foot step-in post.
Yes, we just don't need 150 of them. I calculated the entire perimeter, and it turns out we have quite a bit of exterior fencing, which saves us
which is the barbed wire
tremendous amount of time. We are super happy about that.
Yeah. So Steve,
Yeah, we punched through.
you connected this path to that path.
The entire fence line is done.
What is it, Colin?
It's just a shelf of rock, I think. I don't know. This is gonna be my 4th.
Your 4th attempt on this one post?
Attempt. I keep moving about 2 inches.
Dang,
Try
you
to-
only have this post and one more, and
Trying
then
to
you're
find the
done.
edge. All right.
Don't die. Do it.
Cover your ears. It's
Okay.
too loud for you.
You got another rock?
It looks like it.
That's just mean on your last one. Oh yeah, I can hear it crunching.
Oh, yeah. But it's just like a rocky hill.
There we go.
This project explains exactly why this is pasture land and not farmland.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to be tilling this.
Absolutely.
There it is.
Woo! Woo! All right, check your watch.
5 hours, 13 minutes, and 2,300 calories burned.
Wait, 2,300 calories?
Yep, with 180 beats per minute for like the last 10 minutes. So good cardiovascular health.
Wow, that's impressive.
It's pretty crazy. It's been.
So how many do we have left?
He's counting. 16. Oh, it's gonna be a lot.
17. 17 times 5?
That's 35 carried over.
105, right?
Yeah, I think so.
17 times, no, 17 times 5
Yeah, 105.
is 85.
Yeah.
85. It's so math
Yeah.
doesn't work
Yeah.
at 5 hours and 10 minutes and over 2,600 calories. Combined, I think we probably have hit 7,500 calories burned. with the three of us.
Wow.
Definitely.
So 17, yeah, that's
Yeah,
85 more. To,
That still looks like a mighty big pile.
That's exactly
seven-
like what we just did.
17 is 8 plus 9 is 17.
Yep.
That is kind of what I've calculated. We need 8 and 9
All right.
in the corner. So we're going to have either exactly what we need or just under.
We can always duct tape some step-in posts
Yeah.
together because we got a lot of those left.
No, we're doing good though.
Yeah.
We're doing good.
So, what do you think? Quick dinner, headlamps, back out here?
Yeah, you're funny. You're funny. No, we're done at 5+ hours. But the fence line is completely brush cut.
Yep,
The entire perimeter is now open.
yep,
I'd say I have 2 to 3 hours of chainsaw work
Yep.
to really clear it out. And then we've got the west fence line left to do and 900 feet in the southeast corner.
okay.
So
Yep, southeast to the. Yeah.
Show us your hands, Colin.
Okay, so my hands are incredibly swollen. Normally
Yes.
I can get off my wedding ring.
Yes.
And it kind of just stops at my knuckles. And blisters, cuts. It's 5 hours and 22 minutes of straight pounding.
Yeah.
But overall, a great day.
I want you to text me tomorrow and tell me whether or not you're able to brush your
Well,
own teeth.
honestly, I might stay here because I don't know if I'm up for driving.
Got
So,
it. Fair
yeah,
enough.
Yeah.